The time has come for the main.
Manny Pacquiao takes that first step in. He's got his guard open. Barrios, he's got to take the advantage and let those hands go.
Para sa akin, dapat siya ang nanalo kasi deserve niya. Ipinakita naman niya yung galing niya. Tsaka talagang mahusay pa.
And let's see how low Manny Pacquiao. They know he can't do it. And I don't believe he'll win now. And they may not be...
Okay naman yung performance niya. Yun lang, dahil kasi 4 years nang walang laban, medyo hindi gaya nung unang niya, laban. Pero kaya pa rin niya. Kayang-kaya pa.
Mario Barrios do not allow him to steal Ramos' rugby because this is...
Sa akin po, kailangan ng rematch po talaga. Kasi kaya naman niya talaga.
Maganda, nakaka-enjoy kasi nakita mo naman yung laban, 'di ba? Ano siya, talagang lumaban din kahit draw yung laban. Pero okay naman, masaya. Masaya yung experience.